Are you wondering how to create an interactive quiz in Outgrow? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily, and why Outgrow is one of the best tools for building engaging quizzes that drive real results. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to set up your quiz, but also how to leverage its full potential to boost your marketing strategy. And before we dive in, you can actually try Outgrow for free with some exclusive bonuses by using the link in the description below. Let's get into it. The first thing you'll want to do when creating a quiz in Outgrow is to sign up and log in. Outgrow offers a user-friendly interface, and it's designed so that you don't need any technical skills to start. Once you're in, click on the Create New button to begin the process. Now, Outgrow offers different types of interactive content, but for this video, we're focused on creating a quiz. Choose the quiz option to get started. Next, Outgrow will guide you through various templates. You can pick one that fits the type of quiz you're aiming for, or if you want a fully custom quiz, you can start from scratch. Let's go with a template to keep things quick, but remember, you have complete control over your quiz's design, questions, and flow. Once your template is loaded, you'll start adding questions. The platform allows you to customize your questions with multiple choice options, rankings, sliders, and even open-ended answers. It's super easy to make your quiz engaging by adding different question types that will keep users interacting with your content. Now it's time to set up your logic. This is where Outgrow really shines. You can use conditional logic to control what users see based on their previous answers. For example, if someone answers a certain way, you can direct them to a specific result or question. This makes your quiz feel more personalized and interactive, which can increase completion rates and user satisfaction. Next, you'll want to customize the results. After your quiz taker finishes, you can display a personalized result based on their answers. Outgrow allows you to craft dynamic results that align with your quiz's goal, whether it's capturing leads, educating users, or providing tailored recommendations. These results can also include calls to action to guide your users to the next step, like signing up for a newsletter or checking out a product. Once your quiz is ready, Outgrow gives you a few options for publishing. You can embed the quiz directly on your website, share it via a link, or even integrate it into your email campaigns. Outgrow makes it simple to share your interactive content with a wider audience, which helps drive traffic and engagement. Before we wrap up, it's important to mention that Outgrow also offers analytics, so you can track how your quiz is performing. You'll be able to see how many people are taking the quiz, where they drop off, and how well the results are converting. This is incredibly valuable for optimizing your quizzes and improving your overall marketing strategy. Remember, if you're interested in trying Outgrow, you can use the first link in the description to get a free trial and some exclusive bonuses. So, if you're looking to create an interactive quiz that engages your audience and drives results, Outgrow is the tool you need. With its user-friendly design, customizable features, and powerful analytics, it's a no-brainer for anyone serious about digital marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive extended free trial through the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.